Got right here a box of B knives. Whoa, there's a whole list of them. Cool. That is awesome. That's a big box of knives. Let's see what we got in here. Ooh, I wanted this one to buy one of these. So let's take them all out and go through all of them. We'll put them to the test, some of them in the field. A whole bunch of knives. Check this out. So let's see the model number. Looks like there is different colors. And OD green, stone washed, $160, MIP $135. Fixed blade, Maxwell. That's the name of the knife. Whoa, check this out. This is the knife I'm gonna put to the test in the field, splitting firewood and all these camping ideas that I'm gonna be doing with this. It's a really big knife. Nice. Okay, there's a knife sheath with a really good holder. How does this work? Oh wow, that's cool. You just lift it and slide it. And there is adjustable for the belt. Depends how thick your belt is. That's nice. Okay, and it goes like this. Locks in very nicely. Look at that finger. Boom. So in case you need to deploy it quickly, you got this. Very nice. Okay, this one we're gonna put to the test in the field for sure. Let's just do a quick unboxing. Let's see what we got. There's a fixed blade. This one goes for MSRP $80 on MIP $70, $68.50. Gray stone washed. I wanna see D2 blade steel, most important right here. D2, and blade type and handle materials is Canvas America brown. That's a good materials. There's a name for it as well. Ooh, that's another good one right here. I like it. This is also really nice for camping. I like this braided paracord rope. Looks like just rope. Wow, that is incredibly comfortable. I can only imagine already what I'm gonna be using it for many things camping. This is very comfortable. Wow. Looks like would be really nice to carve things with and also cooking with. Very thick. Ooh, locks in very well. Deploys easy, love it. And this head here, very unique, adjustable for the different type of belts. Seems to be, you see, very cool. That one is also nice camping knife. Ooh, what is this? There's information. This is tuck and tweezers. Ooh, yeah, I like this one a lot. MSRP $30, MIP $26.50. Let's open it. There's a name for it. I really like this EDC tool, everyday carry tool. So you slide it and then twist it, and then you have a little tweezers right here, then slide it back in. Comes with a holder. You see CVV. You'll have to stretch it out first time use, but you don't have to have that, but it would be nice. Put it on the keychain. Perfect. You have a really nice keychain gadget right here. Okay, let's keep on going. Let's see what we got here. This one looks like a whole bunch of different colors it comes with. This is Sokoke, something like that. I can't pronounce it. And let's see how much this one goes for. It's a G10 blade, most important, only 6.3 ounces. Knife weight actually 3.8 ounces, and this one $74 MSRP, MIP $62.99. Okay, let's open it. You see how nice and comfortable this knife is. Very easy to open these boxes with a knife like that. Okay, this is the folding knives, looks like. Okay. Ooh, front flipper. Beautiful. Wow, look at the handle. I love the logo. Looks like a removable clip, soft clip, and you can put it for left hand. Liner lock. Let's see if I can flick it. Oh yeah, it definitely flicks good. And also you have thumb stud on whatever you desire to open it. See, weaving knives is so nice and high quality. You see it? I love it. I don't know if I can do that. This more like of a thumb opener. Really nice knife. Very smooth. This is definitely a good one. Okay, what else we have here? Okay, what do we need to know about this one? There's different colors again. ODD 22 and different colors. Knife weight 3.6 ounces. Total weight after packing 6.15 ounces. Beautiful. There's black stone washed, black hand rubbed, gray, and what kind of G10 handle, blade material 14C28N, and this one could be Damascus. Damascus are really nice. They're usually more expensive, as you can see if you get Damascus, and there's different prices for them. Damascus is harder to get, but let's see which one we got. I'll be surprised. Looks like another folding one. Ooh, looks like a wood handle. Ooh, this is a Damascus one. This is $111 and 80 cents. Black hand rubbed. What kind of handle is wood? Wow. Check this out. This is why Damascus is so cool. It's not a picture, it's not a print, it's not a hider deep, it's actual steel that have been bent many different types mixed with different steels, so you have that kind of pattern, and it's different type of patterns, you see, you can get from Damascus steel. That's beautiful. I really like it. It's a little pocket knife, will fit my pocket really well. Look how smooth that is. It is a flipper thumb stud. I like flippers because you don't even have to line up, you just don't even have to think, you just grab it. It's probably the easiest way to open a knife. I have really big hands, so it's kind of a like 3.5 finger knife, you see, half a finger, but it's very comfortable for everyday jobs, like I don't know, cut a rope, open boxes, things like that, open Ziploc bags. Very nice and stylish. That's what Damascus are, so really cool. Ooh, CVV cards. That's cool. Who does not like that? Okay, let's open it up quick. You see how nice and sharp that is? And let's see. Just goes to. Oh wow, that is cool. What is this? A Joker or something? There's a couple of different cards right here. Oh no, that's an 8. That is cool. Different knives and stuff. I really like it. That's nice. And there's a queen holding a knife. Very cool. Okay, next. What we got here? This is Tug 2. Let's see which one is that. This one is MSR 103, 89, 86, 86.50, and a little cheaper for MIP. So what do we need to know? Damascus, Nitro V, Nitro V, Nitro V, and there's a different handle, G10, G10, America, Kobira wood. Let's see which one we got. I really love high quality material tools like this, because you get everything you need, and they're going to last you a very, very long time if you use them every day. Just high quality material is the best. So this one is, wow, little pocket knife. Ooh, that's smooth. Again, 3 finger. You see 1 here, 2 down here. Very nice and small. I love that really thick miniature knife. I mean, not miniature, I would say medium knife. That's cool. There's a logo. Look at that sharp edge. So nice. I love how it's polished, so it's like flickers on the light. So good. Liner lock. And look how smooth that is. Boom. Okay, this is foldies. Foldies, and there's different types. There's weight, 3.8 ounces. Handle material, copper. Ooh, copper would be awesome to have. People love copper handle materials. Hopefully mine is copper, but I like any of them. Nitro V, and it's like 70, 72, 93, 89. So very affordable, but very high quality materials, as you can see. That's how you open knives. Easy. Boom. Okay, what we got in here? It's not a copper, but wow, that's cool. So this is like a, I don't know, how would you even call it? A top flipper? Ooh, look at that, all dark, all black. People love this kind of a black look to it. There's a name for it, the designer. How do you close it? Okay, gotta figure it out how to close it. Oh, okay, you just work through it. Feels like magnet or something. No, it's tension. Seems to be. Yeah, that's cool. Ooh. It flicks back. So it closes it this way. This is a really cool locking mechanism for sure. Open it, use it, everyday carry for jobs, little jobs, and close it this way. And the last one, let's see what we got here. Bottom lock elementum 2. So there's different colors to them. What do we need to know? Nitro V, all of them, blade materials, and tells you the blade hardness, stain finish, black stone wash, whole bunch of different hand material. G10, very nice. OD green, natural black, very cool. That is a bottom lock, is designed with a spring under the bottom to pivot just the right amount of tension so that there is enough resistance to avoid accidental opening, while still offering the ideal amount of pressure to release lock. You see how usable this knife is already? Look how easy it is to open it without destroying the box. Okay, let's see. This is nice. Ooh, so that way it's a flipper and then there's a button. Yeah, definitely have to press it quite a bit to close it. I could actually use it to open it or close it. Oh wow, that's cool. Whenever you like don't push it enough, it'll kind of stop. You see? If you don't push it, then it won't fall. That's nice. And then you can open it this way, close it this way, then push it hard enough. You see how it stops a little bit. Very cool. Also, quick announcement from Civivi Knives. It's their 9th anniversary, and if you place a purchase between April 12 to April 19, 2023 of any V, Civivi or Sencut knives, you will receive these plain cards. It's actually really cool. I like that.